Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is World Chocolate Day celebrated on which day? Answer is 7th July. World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day is observed on 7th July every year. The day celebrates the existence of chocolate in our lives. It is marked by eating chocolate and sharing with dear ones. The day is an annual global celebration of chocolate which allow people to gorge and indulge, hopefully guilt-free in it. Number 2. India's second largest cricket stadium is situated in. Answer is Jaipur. The Board of Control for Cricket in India released a financial grant of rupees 100 crore to the Rajasthan Cricket Association, which will be used to build India's second largest cricket stadium. The facility, which will be second to the recently inaugurated Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, is set to be built in Jaipur. The construction of the new stadium is likely to be completed within 24 to 30 months from commencement. Number 3. Government creates Ministry of Corporation to boost which movement? Answer is Indian Corporation Movement. The government has created a Ministry of Corporation to boost the Indian corporative movement and give a fillip to the indigenous enterprises. India's first Minister of Corporation will also be sworn in once the Union Cabinet reshuffle takes place and the new minister take the oath of the office at the Darbar Hall in President House. The new ministry corporation will work to release the vision of Sahakar Se Samriddhi and will provide a separate administrative, legal and policy framework to boost the cooperative movement in the country. Number 4. Goal launches mobile app Matsya Setu for. Answer is India Aqua Farmers. Union Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Giriraj Singh has launched the online course mobile app Matsya Setu. The app was developed by the ICAR Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, Bhubaneswar, with the funding support of the National Fisheries Development Board, Hyderabad. The online course app aims to disseminate the latest freshwater aquaculture technologies to the aqua farmers of the country. Number 5. Who resigned as IBM president? Answer is Jim Whitehurst. Jim Whitehurst has announced he is stepping down as the president of IBM. Whitehurst's resignation is being seen as one of the several management moves IBM announced. The 53 years old exit led to share of the technologies giant falling 4.8% to $139.83, the most in 5 months. Whitehurst was appointed as IBM's president last year. This was the first time in decades that the corporation split up the designation of a chief executive officer and president. Number 6. Which ministry signed MOU with Yatra to strengthen hospitality tourism industries? Answer is Tourism Ministry. The Tourism Ministry signed a memorandum of understanding with Yatra to strengthen and enable the tourism and hospitality industry. The event was organized under an arrangement between the Ministry of Tourism and the Quality Council of India, where the MOU for the Tourism Ministry Yatra tie-up was signed. Number 7. Which airline wins Air Transport World's Airline of the Year award? Answer is Korean Airlines. Korean Air has been announced the winner of one of the most prestigious honor in the aviation industry, Air Transport World's 2021 Airline of the Year. This year's award is even more meaningful to Korean Air as the global industry has been suffering from the unprecedented crisis caused by COVID-19. Number 8. Dash launches Postpaid Mini to provide small ticket instant loans. Answer is Paytm. Paytm has announced the launch of Postpaid Mini small ticket loans that will give user the flexibility to access loans ranging rupees 250 to 1000 in partnership with Aditya Birla Finance Limited. The product is an extension of its buy now, pay later service, driving affordability amongst those new to credit. This small ticket instant loan will give flexibility to user and also help manage their household expenses to maintain liquidity during the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Number 9. Name the Superman director who recently passes away. Answer is Richard Donner. एक filmmaker Richard Donner, best known for helming the original Superman film, Lethal Weapon film series The Goonies, has passes away. The 91 years old filmmaker was at the forefront of some of the most popular genres in the history of mainstream cinema: the superhero movie, the horror flicks, the buddy cop romps. Number 10, today's last question of the day. What is the auction mechanism for 14 years tenor government securities? Answer is uniform price auction. Auction method for benchmark securities of tenor 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 14 years, tenor and floating rate bonds. Uniform price auction method. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.